And that is how a true Tanduay woman owns her era. Maraming salamat, Andrea. That was gorgeous. You look absolutely stunning tonight, as always.
Thank you so much. Finally, like na ako, ha?
Ito na. At dahil nga binigyan natin ang mikropono si Andrea, we're going to be opening the floor for questions. I'm going to leave you here on the stage for a quick minute. At magtatawag tayo ng mga katanungan from our friends from the media. I have a list here of questions that we will be asking Andrea. And tatawagin ko kung sino yung magtatanong. We started off by calling in our friend from Manila Standard. Here's Jasper Valdez. Jasper.
Good evening and congratulations again.
Thank you.
My question is, paano mo nalaman na ikaw yung bagong calendar girl ng Tanduay for 2026? And ano yung unang reaction na naroon mo?
Well, of course, nalaman ko through my manager, and my initial reaction was, I was shocked at first. As in, napaisip ako pa, ako? Talaga ba? Oh my gosh. Then napaisip ulit ako, wait, ready na ba ako? Ready na ba yung mama ko? Yung mama ko, yung lola ko, na nandito pala ngayon. Sorry, mama, hi. Ready na din ba yung mga fans ko? Kasi syempre, lumaki ako like, sa screen, nakita nila ako very bagets pa. So, inisip ko, ready ba talaga sila? But then I got super excited kasi I knew that this was something that I can do and that I also wanted to do. I knew that I was ready. And I'm really happy to be here. This was such an honor and of course it's such a huge milestone for me. So, yay!
Beautiful. Maraming salamat, Jasper.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Grabe naman yun. Totoo, no? We have witnessed Andrea grow up before our very eyes.
Yeah, not literally.
Totoo, not literally, but you know, we've seen the ups and downs. We've seen your eras na iba-iba, and this is the most iconic yet so far. We're going to be seeing more of Andrea live. We got more questions this time from Manila Bulletin. We have Larissa Alcantara.
Hi, and congratulations. We've all seen the photos from the calendar, and paano yung preparation for this project?
Well, I had to prepare physically and mentally. Gusto ko pa nga talaga ituloy yung preparation ko, but unfortunately, I got hospitalized a month before the shoot, so hindi ako nakapag-work out at all. Kasi I was 2 weeks, so I just stayed disciplined with my meal plans. Hindi ko na din sinagad yung sarili ko. Kasi I also didn't want to push this idea na you had to look a certain way or a specific body shape para maging calendar girl ka. Also, love ko naman kasi yung body ko. So, inaya ko na. Sabi ko, unahin natin yung health ko at saka gusto ko nga mas maging body positive tayo. Kumbaga, hindi yung kailangan talagang super payat yung super yung tone. So, kasi sana may muscles ko ganyan talaga. Wala, hindi kinaya. Hospital ang girl. So, and also, I studied the concept with my team kasi gusto ko talaga maging kakaiba yung mapapakita ko sa inyo lahat.
It's like,
Really? As in, nilabot ko yung yes! Kasi gusto kayo ng concept ko. Yay!
congratulations.
Thank you po.
Beautiful. Redefining what beauty truly means. Love that. All right, moving on to the next question. This time, coming from Ana Cerezo of ABS-CBN.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
What do you think are the attributes of a Tanduay calendar girl you have that made you own the title this year?
For me po kasi ang Tanduay Calendar Girl is about being real and confident. Kailangan mo embrace kung sino ka talaga. Kailangan mo accept yung flaws mo. So siguro na-earn ko po yung title na yan this year kasi I learned how to own every version of myself. Yung playful side ko, yung soft side ko that is strong and fierce. So yeah, really proud about that. Siguro yun po.
Thank you, guys.
And we cannot be more proud of what you're becoming. Next up, we have from Acquire.net, Jessica Evangelista.
Hi Andrea, congratulations. Nakilala ka ng mga tao because of your iconic TV roles like Adeline Dindao. So how does it feel to step into a more mature role, a phase of your career?
Well, it feels empowering, definitely. But sometimes, I kind of feel weird sometimes. Kasi parang, kasi na nakita kong baget sa way. Tapos yun, may kita nilang ganito na yung get up ko. But yun nga, in a way, it feels empowering for me. Kasi talagang, I like to shock people. I like to keep them guessing kung anong next kong gagawin. So yeah, it feels amazing. It feels good na nakita nila akong bagets at ngayon nakita nila ako as a woman. And now I am more intentional with what I do. I am more confident with what I want to do with my career. Mas in control na ako with my career right now. So hindi na siya about proving anything. It's more about enjoying where I am and just celebrating how far I've come.
Thank you.
Grabe, nakakatawa naman. Pati the way you answer, like, nag-evolve, very, very mature, very woman, very intelligent. I love it. I love it so much. Lastly, we have one final question, this time coming from TV5, Bon Belinario.
Hi, Dai! Congratulations! Sunod-sunod mga pasabog mo, ano ang aasahan ng fans mo this 2026?
Actually, madami pa. Madami pang mga ganap na hindi nila inaakala. Madami pa pong mangyayari. Siguro masabi ko talaga, more mature roles and more creative projects. Maraming exciting collaborations. And yun yun, mas gusto ko lang mag-evolve, not just as an actress, pero as a woman din. So, ayan, excited lang ako na makita ng lahat ng tao kung ano mga mangyayari next year.
Excited din kami, Dai. Congratulations!
Thank you so much to our friends from the media and thank you, Andrea. Grabe yun, no? Ang transformation ni Andrea